Okay, so for my final presentation, I decided that I wanted to focus on biotechnology, and I chose to talk about it because it is the topic that interested me the most this semester. I was actually at one point going to go and major in environmental science and management, so this is kind of right up my alley. So the first article that I found was actually from 2014, and I know that we were supposed to find articles that were fairly recent, published within the last 3 years. But the article that I found, the link to the article that I'm going to mention, it was published in 2020. So I believe the information on that 2014 article is still relevant in today's science. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the use of biotechnology in trying to eliminate malaria. So scientists have actually found that genes in reproducing organisms usually have about a 50% chance of being passed down. Since this is an average, there are also other genes that have an even higher chance of being passed down to the offspring. So scientists are using some current technological advances to investigate how populations of reproducing organisms will react by changing up their genes or suppressing traits that have a potential to be passed down. Right now, they're looking at using this technology on mosquitoes, to alter their genomes in hopes to eliminate malaria. Their genomes will be reprogrammed to get rid of malaria, thus attacking the issue from the inside out. This will be super beneficial today because, as we have seen, mosquitoes can evolve and adapt to, and develop a resistance to the pesticides that they're using. I believe that working from the inside out is actually a really good thing because we are attacking the problem from a different angle, and hopefully we'll get the results that we want to see. So the second thing that I wanted to bring up today was how we can use oil-eating bacteria to help clean up pollution and things like oil spills. As we're all aware, pollution isn't a great thing. And it's got super harmful effects on the environment and those of us and other organisms living in the environment. Disasters such as oil spills actually happen on a fairly regular basis, and they're super challenging, messy, and hard to clean up and take care of properly. So scientists are actually currently studying a certain strain of bacteria called, I'm going to butcher this, but it's called Alcanavorax borcumensis. And this strain of bacteria is known for feeding on hydrocarbons. Laboratory tests have shown that the enzymes that this bacterium produces can actually degrade petroleum products in both soil and in water. So scientists are hoping that they can use this bacterium as an eco-friendly alternative to help clean up and decontaminate the water and soil at oil sites. So as you can see, biotechnology is very fascinating, and it can be very helpful in our world today and has the potential to do so much more than actually the two things I mentioned today. Biotechnology has been used in the past and has a potential to be used to create vaccines, things like drugs, GMOs, genetically modified organisms, and new medical discoveries to help treat and prevent diseases. So I learned something new today, and I hope you guys did too. So thanks for listening to my video.